Hey guys, one of my most requested things both on Instagram and on YouTube is to show you guys what I eat. I get a lot of questions about that because I share my workouts all the time. I try to live a pretty healthy, clean lifestyle. It's not perfect. I love Starbucks, but that is pretty much like my sugar for the day. That's my weakness. That's my dessert. That's my pick-me. I don't eat any processed foods. We cook 5 nights a week. We usually do sushi takeout on Fridays and we usually go out to eat on Saturdays. So I thought I would share with you guys what we're cooking this week or what my meals look like. This is not going to be perfect by any means, but I hope that you can find it relatable and get some ideas if you are also a stay-at-home, work-from-home mom. My meals are usually rushed because I, at that point, have already been very frustrated over making my kids meals. So I just want to eat and be done with it. I also do intermittent fasting and I typically do the 16-8. So I usually eat around 12:30. That's my first meal of the day. And then I'm done eating by 8:30. So that's why I don't do breakfast a lot of times. I'll do smoothies, overnight oats. Sometimes I'll do lunch as my first meal. I'm not a big breakfast person. A lot of times it's leftovers. Sometimes it's just turkey or ham rolled up and taken on the go because I have to run a kiddo somewhere. And the other big thing that I really try to do is focus on protein over anything else because protein is what builds muscle. But for the most part, I'm a clean eater. I love fruits, veggies. We do eat meat, fish. There's really nothing I don't eat other than garbage and processed food. I don't have a sweet tooth, so it kind of works out in my favor. But I find that the less sugar you eat, the less your body craves it. So for me, it's not like I'm depriving myself, I don't want it. I'd much rather take raw veggies and hummus over a Hershey's bar. I know that's probably crazy to some people, but I just, in a sense, my body craves what it likes and what makes me feel good. And I for sure feel amazing eating the way that I've eaten this way for so long. So whatever I'm doing seems to be working because I'm overall healthy. I feel great. I don't have the brain fog and I don't feel sluggish. I'm able to get up and do early workouts before my kids even get out of bed. So I try to keep my sugar intake low. Like I said, Starbucks is just about the only sugar I get in a day. I hope that this is helpful, maybe a little bit inspiring. If you guys have questions, let me know. Like I said, I'll link recipes that we're going to make this week in the description box below. And if you guys like these videos, then let me know and I'll do more of them. Okay, so I made overnight oats last night. This will be my breakfast. This is the simplest recipe and it's so freaking good. And then you can top it with whatever you want. I'm going to put strawberries and almonds, but all it is a cup of almond milk, half a cup of oats. I do a tablespoon of chia seeds and a tablespoon of maple syrup. You could add some vanilla if you need a little bit sweeter or some honey, but I honestly find that this is sweet enough. I also like to top it with cinnamon, berries, mango, coconut flakes, really any of those pantry staples that we keep. But it's so good filling, and you can just make it the night before, so you're ready to go. Boys are having oatmeal. I hope Leo's getting more in his mouth than he is outside the bowl. Penny puts blueberries. Leo, what do you put in your oatmeal? What do you put in your oatmeal? Raspberries and blueberries. But what did you put in it today? It changes by the day. Today it was blueberries and what else? Bananas? No. Yeah. Egg bites. I already ate one. Sorry, I forgot to tell you. See, I'm not good at this game.
Get cheese? Should I get this
Fun
cheese?
experience.
Should I get this cheese?
We have the Mexican.
What?
The Mexican cheese.
We do?
Yes. Dan wants me to go grocery shopping with him, but every time I suggest something, he shoots it down or he rolls his eyes at me. So I literally don't know my place here. Okay, so we're doing bowls. This is lime rice, the chicken fajitas. This is the packet we used. I think it's from ShopRite. Some guac and some chips. First meal of the day, Dan on his lunch break just brought me home one of my favorite halal wraps from a local Mediterranean deli and a big thing of tabbouleh, which is my favorite. I forgot to film my dinner. Look at Addie's plate. We just came home from dance and we're eating late and I scarfed it down and I forgot to show it. I didn't get a chance to film or talk you through how I made this smoothie because my kitchen's chaos right now. Dana and Louie just came home and the boys are nuts, the little boys. But almond milk, tablespoon of peanut butter, tablespoon of chia seeds. We didn't have any bananas. I would have loved to put a banana, but instead I used frozen strawberries. And then I did a scoop of protein powder, chocolate protein powder, and a scoop of collagen, dash of vanilla, and a little bit of cinnamon. And that is my breakfast. The boys usually have oatmeal, but we're all out of oatmeal. So I'm making them a waffle. I spread peanut butter and then fruit on top. Benny wanted it on top. Leo wanted it on the side. Some breakfast. I'm probably gonna cut them a peach too. Okay, and for lunch today, I made this salad that I saw on TikTok actually. It's called Cowboy Caviar. It's pinto beans, black beans, corn, cilantro, red onions, and then I used a red bell pepper and an orange bell pepper. It also calls for avocado, which I'm gonna add in when I go to eat it. I'm just making this ahead of time. And a peach, which I need to grab at the store. And queso fresco, but I'm gonna skip the cheese. This is a great base. I would eat this as is, but you could also add tuna to this or shredded chicken, rotisserie chicken, any kind of protein. Shrimp would be really good too. And then the dressing is 3 limes, Mike's Hot Honey, taco seasoning, red wine vinegar. I'll put the recipe in the description box, but this will be lunch probably today and tomorrow if it even lasts that long. But this is so good, so fresh. Also a really good recipe to take to like a barbecue or a picnic if you have one coming up. Great lunch. I'm still having the Cowboy Caviar and I'm adding a can of this white chicken breast. We keep this stocked along with tuna. It's a great source of protein. And I'm probably gonna also have a little side of tortilla chips. I'm making my smoothie for breakfast today. I have in here a cup of almond milk. I did like a tablespoon of peanut butter, scoop of collagen, scoop of chocolate protein. I'm gonna throw in this frozen banana. I threw in the rest of the cheese seeds that I had. It was probably like a teaspoon or so. Banana. And then I'm gonna put like a big handful of spinach. And then I sometimes like to eat my smoothies with a spoon, and I'll top toasted coconut and granola. So good. I'm so bad at this game. I, again, forgot to share what I ate, but we got Chipotle, and I got barbacoa tacos with
that meat.
Pinto. It was barbacoa, pinto, brown rice, pico, corn, and the green salsa. And I had some of the kids' chips. Yeah, that's the pico. I need to be better about, we don't allow phones at the table when we're eating, so that makes it harder because I forget to pick up my phone to show you what I'm eating. But I'll try to be better about dinner tonight. This is the Crockpot honey sesame chicken. It is so good. I've already taste tested it. We just put it over some rice. I'm wrapping the video here, you guys. I need to be better about these videos. Half the time I'm rushing. Half the time I'm eating in the car because I have to go drop off or pick up a kid. Half the time I just forget to pick up my phone because I just want to eat. And like I've told you, meal times are super stressful. So I hope that this was still enjoyable. I hope you guys got some good inspo or just for like meal ideas, quick, simple meal ideas, healthy, clean eating. I know it was like all over the place. I sometimes just could take a picture because my kids were screaming in the background and I just had to do like a text overlay. But I hope you guys got the gist. The meals that we eat weekly are the same. This week we did try a few new ones. That pasta one was okay. Probably wouldn't make it again. The sesame chicken in the Crockpot was incredible. I'll have recipes links in the description box below. Didn't get around to making the pork that I wanted to make because that was the night I totally forgot Addie had a dance class, so we just whipped together the grilled chicken and Brussels sprouts real quick because we knew how to do that. It was quick and easy. I do the intermittent fasting, so sometimes breakfast looks like lunch. Like my lunch or my breakfast is like a chicken wrap. That's just how it goes sometimes because I don't eat until noon, sometimes 12:30, so for me that always felt like lunchtime. I've never really been a big breakfast person. I could never eat first thing in the morning. So the intermittent fasting really works out for me. But I don't eat a lot of eggs. I don't enjoy them. I had that turkey bacon egg sandwich from Starbucks, which is it's not the best option, but if you're on the go and you need like a healthier something on the go, that's usually my go-to. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, got some good ideas. Thank you for watching. I will try to have it a little bit more professional, organized, and clean next time. But real life, I'm a mom and my kids own me. So thanks for watching and I'll talk to you guys next time. Bye.